Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this really cute vampire look. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And sorry, this is a voiceover. I've had to do it in a few of my videos. So we're going to start off with some foundation. Everything will be linked below. If not linked, at least the name will be there. So I just apply this on with a brush, and then I use this to kind of darken it up and give my cheeks a little bit of chiseling, so a bit of contouring, I guess. And I do that with a brush as well, and then I go in with some concealer and then I blend it all out. I'm sorry about the shutters on my screen on my video, the way it's kind of shuttering by. You can see it, I didn't realize until after. And then I just keep blending and I blend out for as long as possible. I always think the key to a really nice foundation is to really blend it out. So then this was my eyes. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So again, everything will be linked below, and I'll have the names on the screen of each shade I use. So I started off with this kind of dark brown mahogany kind of color, and I just blended that out. Then I got some Nars concealer to kind of cut it out a little, just where I wanted the curve to be. And I just kind of wanted this look to be something that was really simple to do, and I know right now it kind of looks a little odd, but it does turn out really nice in the end. This is the easiest way that I do a cut crease. I just apply some concealer. I either use a really light shade or sometimes I use a white, depending on what color I'm going to do underneath. And while you're doing it, you just want to make sure you get both of them as similar to each other, and then just keep blending it out with your favorite eyeshadow or whatever color you want to use. I'm just going with red because that's the kind of vampy vibe, and it blended in with my hair really well, so that's why I went with that. And using the same shade underneath my eyes just to darken it up a little. And then I did a wing liner. I didn't want it to be too perfect or anything, I just needed it to be kind of exaggerated. And then I added some black underneath to kind of blend it out and make it look a little bit more sucked up, to kind of contour my eye a little up. And then I used just some black eyeliner. This is the Sosume X18 Kate. Then this is the Makeup Revolution Blushing Hearts highlighter. I really like it because it's really intense, as you can see when it goes on, and that's like, I don't even add in any extra pigment or anything. The highlighter is just super intense. And then I added a little bit of the pinky kind of shade from the palette on as well, and then I just used some liner, which again be linked below, and then did this little design at the top. And voila, there we are, there we go. So we're going to move on to the next bit, which was another layer of concealer just to really brighten up my under eyes. And I really like this one, the eraser one. You can see, I think it's in the second lightest shade, and I love it because it just really brightens up the under eyes, and that's kind of what I wanted to go for here. So once that was all blended out, I gave it lots of blending. I added in some powder, and I really like this one because it doesn't dry out my skin too much, and I find sometimes if I bake too much it dries out my skin, which we all don't like, some crusty skin. Then we went in with some bronzer just to chisel out the cheeks a little, just to make it look a little bit more structured, because in all vampires are kind of sexy and seductive, isn't it? That's kind of what everyone goes for, so that's why you want to make it as structured as possible. Went in with some blush just to give my cheeks a little bit of a color, because it's never a bad thing. And then I went in with some highlighter just all over as well. So then again with this palette, I just use all the colors just to do my eyes, and I'm just going to let this sway by because it's pretty self-explanatory what's coming up now. Mixing Jurline is really good to give a little bit of fierceness, and in between all this I kind of just tried out to see how it would look with the teeth. And then I wanted to go in with my lips. I wanted to exaggerate my lips a little. I can't remember the photo I seen this on, but I did see a photo where someone kind of exaggerated the lips at the side just to give it a little something extra, and I thought it was really cool. It's the same eyeliner I used on my eyes just to give me an extra bit of a smile, just to make me look a little bit more seductive. And then I went in with Satin from MAC. I really like this red. It's actually like one of the nicest reds. I think Ruby is a really good red as well, but the satin seems a bit vampy. And what I did was I added some black on top of these white pearls, and I just placed them on my eyes. I'm just going to let that play because I don't know how else to explain it really. Then once it was all done, this is what I was left with, and then I just had to go do my hair and change my top for the final shoot. And I just got my hair lots of big curls, popped on the teeth, and yeah, so this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed it. My top is a little bit see-through, you can see my brand. I thought it kind of looked well for like a photo, but if I was going out, I'd probably wear this with some black pants, black leggings, black like leather pants or something, and it would look cute. But yeah, thanks for watching.